Assalamualaikum students. Today we start from the next topic and the topic name is the stomach, page number 4. When you eat food, it is broken down into lots of tiny simple pieces so that the body can use it. This breaking down process is called digestion. The body uses food to produce energy. Dear student, look at here. This is the structure of the digestive system. The food is digested as it travels along the digestive tract. Here, the functions of the parts of the digestive system. And the process in which the food is digested is called digestion. Within the process of digestion, energy is produced, which is used for many purposes. First of all, you chew food with your teeth. Then you swallow it. The chewed food passes into the stomach where a strong acid breaks it down. There are lots of muscles in the stomach wall that makes the food with juices that help to digest the food. The acid in the stomach also helps to kill germs in the food. Dear student, the process of digestion food starts in the mouth. The teeth help to break the food into small pieces. The saliva in the mouth softens the food and changes any starch in the food into sugar. The changes that take place in the stomach and the intestine. From the stomach, the food passes into a pipe called the small intestine. This is where most of the digestion of food takes place. The useful substance passes through the wall of the small intestine where they enter the blood. The blood then carries them to the parts of the body where they are needed. Dear student, finally, the food is absorbed into the blood through the intestine. The food that is not digested is excreted from the body. Now look at here. This is stomach. This is liver. And this is small intestine. This is the structure of the digestive system. The food is digested in this system. Disorder of the digestive system. Our digestive system can have many problems if we do not eat healthy food. It is also important to have it in the right quantity. Overeating can cause acidity and indigestion as food cannot be properly digested. So dear student, the disorder of the digestive system that can be caused by bad eating habits. Eating clean, healthy food is important. Overeating can cause acidity and indigestion. If we do not eat enough fibers present in the whole meal, flour, fruits and vegetables, we can get constipation. Drinking unclean water and eating unhygienic or stale food can cause diarrhea or vomiting, food poisoning and other stomach disorders. So, drinking unclean water and eating unhygienic or stale food can cause diarrhea and vomiting. Not eating high fiber foods like fruits and vegetables can cause constipation. So, student, you all take balanced diet in a week. Overeating is not good for your health. And undereating is too not good for your health. So balanced diet should be must taken. Brain. Page number 5. The brain is the most remarkable organ in the body. It sends out and receives hundreds of messages every second. It controls the muscles, sense organs, the body temperature, and even your appetite. The brain is not made up of millions of nerve cells. The messages are carried along a network of nerve cells all over the body. Dear student, look at here. This is the structure of the brain. And the brain performs all the functions. Dear student, brain is the controlling organ of the body. It is connected to all the other organs by special cells called nerve. And it is responsible for smooth running of all the functions of the body. The base of the brain extends into the spinal cord. This is a fat bundle of nerve cells. It runs down your back inside the backbone. Along the way, the nerve branch off from the spinal cord. Some go to the arms, others go to the lungs, heart, stomach, and the intestine. Lower down, nerves branches off to the legs and feet. Dear student, look at here. This is the system of spinal cord. The backbone is not a single bone. It is made up of a series of small bones which are connected to each other. A fat bundle of the nerve cells called the spinal cord passes through the backbone, and branches of nerves run from it to all the other parts of the body. Now the next topic is the skin. Dear student, first I explain. Skin is our sense organ. So, now look at here. This is the structure of skin. The skin has 3 layers. Inner layer, outer layer, and this one is dead layer. Your skin is like a coat that protects the body. In the skin, there are nerves that can sense pain, temperature, and pressure. These nerves send messages to the brain and give your body the sense of touch. Dear student, skin is outer cover of our body. We feel pain, temperature, and pressure with the sense of skin. In the skin, there are nerves which send messages to the brain, and brain send reply the body. The sense of touch. Now turn the page. The eye. The eye is another sense organ. This is the structure of eye. The eyes are like 2 tiny cameras inside the head. They send a steady stream of pictures back to the brain. There are special cells in the eye which help you to see colors. Dear student, eye is another sense organ we can see with the help of eye. There are 2 cells in the eye, cone and rod cell. When we see anything inverted, an inverted image is formed in the retina of the eye. After that, the message is sent to the brain and the real image of the object is formed. Now look at here. This is the structure of eye, cornea, iris, lens, fluid, optic nerves, retina. This one is retina, where an inverted image is formed. And this message is sent through optic nerve to the brain. And the brain reply the real image of the object to our eye. and we can see anything. Ear. Dear student, the ear is another sense organ. This is the structure of ear. Ears are not just the flap of skin that can see. They have a very important job to do. They turn sound waves, which are tiny vibrations of air, into the kind of formation that the brains can understand. Dear student, ear do play an important role in our body. Without ear, we cannot hear anything. We hear with the help of our ears. Sound waves enter our ear and then eardrum, and the message is then transferred to the ear canal and the under system. There are three parts of ear: outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear. And with the help of brain, we can understand every sound.